have created account on IC Wallet, but you don't know how to make a deposit. Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit your money on IC Wallet. Okay, so if you want to make a deposit on IC Wallet, there is easy way you can make a deposit. Okay, so it's not only money, it's not only bank transfer you can do. Okay, you can use your Momo wallet. Either you have Vodafone Cash, either you have MasterCard or Visa card. Okay, you can use all these to make a deposit on your account on IC Wallet. Okay, so what you have to do is, after you created your account, then you log in into your account. Okay, so when you log in, you will see liquidity fund. Okay, for that one, don't select anything there. Okay, so the next one you will see is either you use your mobile money account, either Teresa Cash or Vodafone, either Tigo Cash or Telcel Cash, or either you use your Visa card or MasterCard. Okay, then you choose it. Okay, the next thing they will ask you again is your your money. Okay, the amount you want to deposit. Okay, either 100 cedi, 50 cedis, 140. Okay, then you type the amount you want to deposit. Okay, and the next thing they will ask you again is either today only you are making a deposit, or every day, every week, every month. Okay, so the one you want, then you select it. Okay, so the next one they will ask you is your contact. Okay, so when you are creating your account, make sure to use a valid contact. Okay, that one is very important. Okay, so you select the contact, the same contact you use it to create the account. Okay, so then you select the number. Okay, after that, then you click on submit. Okay, so when you click on submit, then you wait for some minutes, and then it will come. When you click on submit, it will come, you have been successfully deposit either 100 cedi, the amount you deposit. Okay, so then it means that you have made a deposit. I have already made a video about how to make the deposit, a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so you can come to my channel and then watch that video. It's very easy and simple way to deposit your money on IC Wallet. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is profit my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and then comment down below. Okay, and then don't forget to click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you next time.